Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to deactivate or delete your account on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Click on the three dots icon next to the edit profile icon. Tap on view privacy shortcuts. Scroll down till you find the delete your account and information section in the your Facebook information part. Here you have two options. You can either deactivate your account. It is temporary, so your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most of the things that you have shared. However, you will be able to continue using Messenger. If you select the second option, delete account, it is a permanent option, meaning that you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared. Your Messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So select the relevant one and tap on continue to account deletion or deactivation. Here you should select why would you like to delete your account, such as I spent too much time on Facebook, I have a privacy concern, I don't feel safe, my account was hacked, or I no longer find it useful. Then you should continue to account deletion, and as you can see, there are many information here that you can read about, such as downloading your information, saving posts, and so on. But if you are sure that you would like to finish this process, tap on delete account down below. But first you need to enter your password, and after that tap on the button continue and tap on delete account. As you can see, your account has been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.